Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Today, we're diving into how you can effectively check your O2 sensor without needing a multimeter. This guide is specifically designed for quick, accessible checks, using only your eyes, ears, and basic observations. We'll explore clear indicators that suggest an O2 sensor might be failing, helping you pinpoint problems early. It's about empowering you with practical steps, ensuring you understand your vehicle's health better. You can confidently assess if your O2 sensor needs attention, even without advanced diagnostic equipment. Start your diagnosis with a thorough visual check of the O2 sensor itself. Carefully examine the wiring for any frays, cuts, or areas where insulation might be burnt. Corrosion on the connector pins is another red flag, indicating poor electrical contact. Next, inspect the sensor's body for any visible cracks or significant damage. Also, make sure there are no exhaust leaks nearby, as unmetered air can severely impact the sensor's performance readings. These initial visual cues are often quite telling. Your vehicle's sounds can reveal a lot about its O2 sensor health. Listen for a rough or uneven idle. A failing sensor often struggles to maintain a steady RPM. You might also notice the engine misfiring or surging unpredictably. Pay close attention to your exhaust note. An overly rich condition might sound different, or you might hear a rattling sound from the catalytic converter due to unburnt fuel. Any significant reduction in engine power, especially during acceleration, provides strong clues about O2 sensor issues. The dashboard is often your first alert system. If your check engine light, cell, comes on and stays illuminated, it's a strong indicator. While the CEL covers many issues, an O2 sensor fault is a frequent cause. Crucially, track your fuel economy. A failing O2 sensor can significantly reduce your miles per gallon, sometimes by 10–20% or more. Also, pay attention to the smell of your exhaust. A strong odor of raw fuel suggests the engine is running too rich, a common O2 sensor symptom. Should you identify several of these symptoms, it's very probable your O2 sensor is indeed failing. While this guide helps you diagnose without a multimeter, a basic OBD2 scanner can confirm specific trouble codes like P0133 or P0171. If you're still uncertain or uncomfortable with replacement, please consult a certified mechanic. Ignoring a faulty O2 sensor can lead to decreased fuel economy, increased emissions, and even damage your catalytic converter, which is a much more expensive repair down the line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.